Hello and welcome to AliTech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to join a Zoom class meeting through email, text, or any other way that the link is being sent to you by your teacher. For this video, I'm just going to show you how to do it by email. So first, you want to click on the email. Here, the link should be posted by the teacher. This link makes it easier so that you can just do a one-click basis and go right into the meeting, rather than having to go to the Zoom website and then having to type in the meeting ID and password. This is just a one-click process that gets you right to where you need to be. So then prompt you to the waiting room. The waiting room is when you're waiting for the meeting host to let you in. This will stay here like this until that meeting host admits you into the room. Once you're admitted into the room, it's going to prompt you to connect with your computer audio. Once you do that, sound should start to be coming through your computer or the device you are using. But this is once you are connected in. And now you are in your meeting, nice and easy. Then from here, you can do your mute, you can mute yourself, unmute yourself, start your video, and look at participants and chat throughout the meeting. Thank you for watching, and check out my other videos for any tips and tricks you need throughout the school year.